Hi, this is Ezekiel, your messengerbot guide. Today, I will talk about our Flow Builder image component and its uses. Image component widen the capabilities of our Flow Builder to be used on different scenarios and businesses. Before we start, please do like, subscribe, and share this video. Now, here is our messengerbot. If you notice, there's a slight changes in messengerbot. This is for quality of life updates and new features we are releasing within the Flow Builder and messengerbot. Now, if you still remember, our Flow Builder usually resides here. Now, you can find it inside the Bot Manager here under Messenger Tools. Now, let's click Bot Manager. Now here, the first choice is the Bot Flow Builder. Here, you can create your own Flow Builder. Now, to create your own Flow Builder, just click Create New Flow. Or if you want to select your pre-created templates, flows, just click Templates here. Then here are all your templates. It is basically the same as before. We just change its position here. Now, let's click Create New Flow. Now, for this video, I will discuss the use of our image component here. Now, every time you start your Flow Builder, you will be prompted with this Startbot flow. This will be your first component that will start the conversation to your customer automatically. Now, let's drag and drop our image component here. Now, to enter an image inside in this image component, just double click it here. Then you will see here in the right side, you can put any details here, like the reply image or the text image here under the image that you will put here. And also here, if you click this, you will select an image inside your hard drive. Now let's say the reply image is a toy. Then let's insert an image inside here. There. Now you can also click the typing on display and also the delay in reply. Now once you're done with all of this information, just click Done. Now here is the image component. Once it's done, you can see the image that we have entered and also see these details here: the sent, delivered, and subscribers and errors. If a customer or a person contact your page and the bot or our auto reply replied to them, you will see the details here. The sent, if the bot sent the message, if it's been delivered to the customer, and also the number of the subscribers, or if the customer is a subscriber, and if there's an error. Now, I will explain to you the input and the output components that can be used for this image component here. Now, for the input components, you can use a Startbot flow, of course. Here, you can just click the next, then drag it to the reply button here to connect it. You can also use the new post back component, which is this one. Just click the next, then enter hit here. Let's just delete this first. Also a text component, the carousel component here, oh, let's just pop up the image component again. The carousel component, the Facebook media, also an image, again you can connect it in its input, the video component, the audio component, and the file component. You can also use the e-commerce component here, and then the one-time notification component for your image component, and also our card component here. You can connect it in our image component also. Now, if you try to connect an incompatible component, let's say an action button, into your image component, you will receive this warning. Okay, now that's all the input component that you can use to your image component. Now, let's talk about the output components that you can use for your image component. Also, image component can be used to your quick reply component here. You can use 11 quick replies component to connect to your image component at the same time. Let's try this. There, as you can see, I can connect multiple quick replies to a single image component. Now let's remove these guys here. Now, the other components that can be input as output here in this image component are text, carousel, Facebook media, image again, image component, audio, video, file, e-commerce, and user input flow. Now, all of these components can be connected to your image component output here at the next here. Now, let's try to test our image component live. Let's just delete these guys here. Then let's start with the start bot flow here. First, we always need a trigger keywords or an action button. You can select what you want for these two. In the trigger keywords, you can enter keywords that you want the bot to reply to if the customer typed that specific keyword. And the action button, the customer will see a button there that they can click. Then the bot will start to operate. The action buttons here, you can customize it inside your action button settings here or get started settings here. Now for this video tutorial, I will select the trigger keywords. Now let's say I want the bot to reply to the keyword hello. You can also select an exact keyword match. The customer needs to enter this exact keyword here for the bot to work, or you can select this string match where the customer composes a sentence and one of these words is in there, then the bot will trigger. Now for this tutorial, let's just say hello is our trigger keyword. Then click done. Now let's connect it in our start bot flow. Then we can use directly the image component, but for this I'll just enter a text component here just to spice things up. Then of course, don't forget to name this start bot flow here. Let's say the image component demo. You can also select labels here, then done. Now the text, just double click it here, then enter the welcome message or the first message your customer will be seeing once they contacted your bot. Now let's say welcome to my collection. Let's click the first name and the last name, then the typing on display, then click done. Now we can input a button here. Let's say the action buttons are the... Also, I forgot, you can see the compatible components by just dragging this next button here, then just click it outside. Then you will see all the compatible components for that specific component here. Like this text, it is compatible with a text component, carousel, image, FB media, and so on here. Now let's choose the button here. Now here's the button. Let's say view my collection. You can also select the button type, a new post back web URL, user email, user phone, and so on. Now for this, let's click new post back. There. Now the name of our button will be view my collection. Now here in the new post back, you can just select the post back title here or whatever title you want. You can also put a label and choose sequence here if you want to put a new sequence here. Now for this tutorial, I will just leave it blank. Then click done. Now let's put our image component here. Then connect it in our new post back. Now let's enter the informations here. Now let's say I have a new toy collections here. Then I will just upload the toy image. Then click done. Now once you're happy with your flow, just click this button here or just Ctrl S. Now it's done. Let's try it in our Facebook page or my demo Facebook page here. Oh, also once you're done, your flow will be visible here. There, you can edit it anytime, delete it, or export it if you want to use it in your future endeavors. Now, let's go to my demo Facebook page. Now I will try to message this Facebook page here where our flow builder is associated with. As you can remember, I input a hello message or a hello keyword to trigger the bot. So let's type hello here. There, as you can see, the bot is replying. Now here's the button that we have selected, view my collection. Then the bot should send the image that we have input there. Great. Now, that's how you use your image component inside our flow builder. Now you can play around with it. Anything that you want to accommodate your needs to your online business or whatever online business that you want to use our flow builder. Now, thank you for watching. I hope you find this information helpful. That's it for today. I wish you a very wonderful day. Bye.